Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. A very warm welcome to all. I am Malvika Verma,
And I am Rohan Gore.
and we are delighted to be your hosts for today. As we all know, we have gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day. Let me take this opportunity to thank all the teachers for working very hard to teach us online. Taking education to the next level, this year may have given us very tough times, but our teachers have surely been a ray of hope for us.
In fact, a good teacher not only imparts knowledge to their students, but they inspire, encourage, and instill curiosity to find solutions to these problems. To honor these remarkable people in our lives, Teachers' Day is celebrated as an important day worldwide. We are all overjoyed to welcome you to the Teachers' Day program 2020.
Now we have our dear principal, Mrs. Lalita Murthy, here to share a few words.
Good morning, everybody. On this day, the 5th of September 2020, being celebrated as Teachers' Day all over the country, I wish to bring greetings from our chairman, Mr. Anand Ram, and also myself, Lalita Murthy, the principal of Navkees Educational Center, Bangalore. Greetings to all my wonderful teachers. Happy Teachers' Day.
We would like to start the program with an invocation dance by Swatika, paying tribute to Mother Saraswati.
श्वेत पद्मासने देवी श्वेत पुष्पोप शोभिते श्वेतांबरधरा नित्य श्वेत गन्धानुलेपन श्वेताक्ष सूत्र हस्ताच श्वेत चंदन चर्चिता श्वेतवीणाधरा शुभ्र श्वेतालंकार भूषिता श्वेतालंकार भूषिता श्वेतालंकार भूषिता ವರವ ಕೊಡು ಎನಗೆ ವಾಗ್ದೇವಿ ದೇವಿ ವರವ ಕೊಡು ಎನಗೆ ವಾಗ್ದೇವಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚರಣ ಕಮಲಂಗಳ ದಯ ಮಾಡು ದೇವಿ ವರವ ಕೊಡು ಎನಗೆ ವಾಗ್ದೇವಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚರಣ ಕಮಲಂಗಳ ದಯ ಮಾಡು ದೇವಿ ವರವ ಕೊಡು ಎನಗೆ ವಾಗ್ದೇವಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚರಣ ಕಮಲಂಗಳ ದಯ ಮಾಡು ದೇವಿ ವರವ ಕೊಡು ಎನಗೆ ವಾಗ್ದೇವಿ ವಾಗ್ದೇವಿ ಶಶಿಮುಖದ ನಸುನಗೆಯ ಬಾಲೆ ಶಶಿಮುಖದ ನಸುನಗೆಯ ಬಾಲೆ ಎಸೆವ ಕರ್ಣದ ಮುತ್ತಿನ ಓಲೆ ಎಸೆವ ಕರ್ಣದ ಮುತ್ತಿನ ಓಲೆ ನಸುವ ಸುಪಲ್ಲ ಗುಣಶೀಲೆ ನಸುವ ಸುಪಲ್ಲ ಗುಣಶೀಲೆ ದೇವಿ ಬಿಸಜಾಕ್ಷಿಯೋಳ ಹೃದಯದಿ ನುದಳೆ ಬಿಸಜಾಕ್ಷಿಯೋಳ ಹೃದಯದಿ ನುದಳೆ ಶಶಿಮುಖದನ ಸುನಗೆಯ ಬಾಲೆ ಎಸೆವ ಕರ್ಣದ ಮುಕ್ತಿನ ಓಲೆ ನಸುವ ಸುಪಲ್ಲ ಗುಣಶೀಲೆ ದೇವಿ ಬಿಸಜಾಕ್ಷಿಯೋಳ ಹೃದಯದಿ ನುದಳೆ ವರವ ಕೊಡು ಎನಗೆ ವಾಗ್ದೇವಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚರಣ ಕಮಲಗಳ ದಯ ಮಾಡು ದೇವಿ ವರವ ಕೊಡು ಎನಗೆ ವಾಗ್ದೇವಿ ವಾಗ್ದೇವಿ ರವಿಕೋಟಿ ತೇಜ ಪ್ರಕಾಶೇ ರವಿಕೋಟಿ ತೇಜ ಪ್ರಕಾಶೇ ರವಿಕೋಟಿ ತೇಜ ಪ್ರಕಾಶೇ ರವಿಕೋಟಿ ತೇಜ ಪ್ರಕಾಶೇ ಮಹಾ ಕವಿ ಜನ ಕೃತ್ ಕಮಲವಾಸೆ ರವಿಕೋಟಿ ತೇಜ ಪ್ರಕಾಶೇ ಮಹಾ ಕವಿ ಜನ ಕೃತ್ ಕಮಲವಾಸೆ ಅವಿರಳ ಪುರಿ ಕಾಗಿ ನೆಲೆಯಾದಿ ಕೇಶವನ ಸುತನಿಗೆ ಸನ್ನುತರಾಣಿ ವಾತೆ ಅವಿರಳ ಪುರಿ ಕಾಗಿ ನೆಲೆಯಾದಿ ಕೇಶವನ ಸುತನಿಗೆ ಸನ್ನುತರಾಣಿ ವಾತೆ ಅವಿರಳ ಪುರಿ ಕಾಗಿ ನೆಲೆಯಾದಿ ಕೇಶವನ ಸುತನಿಗೆ ತೋತ ಪ್ರಾಣಿವಾತೆ ವರವ ಕೊಡು ಎನಗೆ ವಾಗ್ದೇವಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚರಣ ಕಮಲಗಳ ದಯ ಮಾಡು ದೇವಿ ವರವ ಕೊಡು ಎನಗೆ ವಾಗ್ದೇವಿ ವರವ ಕೊಡು ಎನಗೆ ವಾಗ್ದೇವಿ ವಾಗ್ದೇವಿ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ
Thank you, Swatika. That was a wonderful performance. Coming up next, we have an invocation song by Ayushi Jha singing a rendition of one of the most famous Hindi poets, Kabir Das's song.
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु झीनी आवाज हो रही झीनी झीनी। सुनता है गुरु ज्ञानी गगन में आवाज हो रही झीनी झीनी। रे झीनी आवाज हो रही झीनी झीनी। कहत कबीरा सुनो भई साधो, जाय अगम की वाणी रे, जाय अगम की वाणी, जाय अगम की वाणी। सुनता है गुरु ज्ञानी गगन में आवाज हो रही झीनी झीनी। रे झीनी आवाज हो रही झीनी झीनी। पल भर रे जो नजर भर देखे अजर अमर वो निशानी वो जी आवाज हो रही झीनी झीनी। रे झीनी आवाज हो रही झीनी झीनी। सुनता है गुरु ज्ञानी गगन में आवाज हो रही झीनी झीनी। रे झीनी आवाज हो रही झीनी झीनी। आवाज हो रही झीनी झीनी। आवाज हो रही झीनी झीनी। Thank you.
Thank you, Ayushi, for such a soulful melody. Now, we move on to another musical mashup by S.K. Lavanya.
मोहे रंग दौला, मोहे रंग दौलाल, नंद के लाल लाल, छिड़ो नाही बस रंग दौलाल, मोहे रंग दौलाल। देखो देखो तुझको मैं हो के निहार, देखो देखो तुझको मैं हो के निहार, चोला कोरा मोरा कांच फतन नैनवर क्या रहे निहाल, मोहे रंग दौलाल, नंद के लाल लाल, चिड़ो नाही बस रंग दौलाल, मोहे रंग दौलाल। जख्म ऐसा तूने लगाया, दीवानी 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 हो गई, मरहम ऐसा तूने लगाया, रूहानी 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 हो गई, पहचान मेरी इश्क की अब तो, पहचान मेरी इश्क की अब तो रवानी 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 हो गई, मशहूर मेरी इश्क की कहानी हो गई, कहते हैं ये दीवानी मस्तानी हो गई, दीवानी हाँ दीवानी दीवानी हो गई। ना तो मैया की लोरी ना ही पागन की होरी, मोहे कुछ नजर न पाए रे, जब से नैना ही जाके एक दर से लागे, तब से विरहा मोहे सताए रे। हाँ कदर उर्दर से लागे तब से विरहा मोहे सताए रे दुविधा मेरी सब जग जाने दुविधा मेरी सब जग जाने जानी न निर्मोहिया घर मोरे परदेसिया आओ पधारो पिया घर मोरे परदेसिया आओ पधारो पिया.
Thank you, Lavanya, for that melodious mashup. Coming up next, we have Aditya LK and Ibni Shetty here to share a few words on the significance of this very day, that is Teachers' Day.
Good morning, respected principal, vice principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. We are here today to celebrate the special occasion, the Teachers' Day. It gives me immense pleasure to be here today and talk about the main personalities of the day, our very own teachers. It is well-known fact that every year we celebrate 5th September as Teachers' Day in memory of Dr. Radhakrishnan, who was a teacher par excellence and also one of the successful presidents of India. Teachers' Day is a special and important day as students offer their respect to teachers in recognition of their contribution in the field of education.
Just as a country is as good as the people, so are the citizens as good as the teachers. Therefore, a great deal depends on you, teachers, and I salute all of you for your passion, dedication, commitment, and contribution. It is the teacher who sees a statue in the stone block. It is she who identifies a spark in the child and turns it into fire. And surely, the student is the bank where you deposit your most precious treasures.
As the country is poised to be a knowledge superpower, therefore teachers' role in development of quality talent since the formative age of children at the primary and middle level is crucial in achieving country's progress.
In classroom, we don't just have to deliver knowledge, but to enable pupils to understand and address complexities of modern life. The dynamism in knowledge and explosion of newer information poses a challenge of continuous upgradation of your competency by acquiring, maintaining, and demonstrating highest values and character.
Teaching is the mother of all professions. Teachers' Day reminds us of responsibilities and commitments towards shaping the future generation in taking up still higher challenges and making our country an advanced and developed nation with high sensitivity towards general welfare of the society.
As students, we have been sometimes tough to handle, but your individual attention has helped us learn from our mistakes and grow. I take the opportunity to mention on Teachers' Day how much all of you mean to us. I take this opportunity and the stage to confess that we may all not be in your good books, but this is the best day for all of us to express how much we love you as students. Thank you, teachers, for being with us as we grow. We will definitely make you proud in the years to come.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was a very informative oration. Thank you, Aditya and Ibni.
Now we have a small message by the 11th graders. Teachers, I hope you're enjoying the show so far.
The coronavirus pandemic has affected educational systems worldwide, leading to the near total closure of schools, colleges, and universities. Here is a message from the 12th graders telling us about how the virus has affected lives on a global scale.
Midst of this pandemic, some of us are privileged enough to have access to food, shelter, resources, and this video. But many struggle battling everyday life with amplified difficulties along with this pandemic.
We have destroyed the nature so much that she has had enough. She has decided to fight back.
we have to face the consequences.
In such desperate, unprecedented times, what we need is unity and openness, because now we may be fighting what may be the greatest battles of our lives.
Pandemic has left us shut in our houses, cut off from resources and facilities. It is forcing us to retrospect, to look at things in a new light, the way we wouldn't have if the situations weren't so extreme.
No doubt that this pandemic is one of the most dire times in recent history. Yet, it displays an ever so stronger sign of courage, strength, compassion, solidarity, and a desire for togetherness.
And this spirit of world togetherness gives us hope for a future. A pandemic-free, happy, and free world.
Pandemic has seen people come together like never before. Kindness is what helped human species for all its existence, and kindness is our hope for the post-pandemic world.
Stories of compassion, empathy, generosity, and help surround us. The promise of humanity thriving and the world becoming a better place.
Such times have taught us lessons. They have taught us gratitude. We have learned that the real heroes aren't the men sitting high up in their offices, but are our healthcare workers and daily helpers.
Doctors and healthcare workers are putting their lives at stake, battling against COVID-19 on the front lines. And the least we can do is cooperate and appreciate the efforts. In such an overwhelming time, take measures to stay calm and stay safe. Stay at home, flatten the curve.
Speaking of efforts, hats off to our teachers who have put in so much efforts and done so well when suddenly forced to work with an online platform after years of getting used to an offline, interactive session and perfectly dealing with troublesome, reserved, sarcastic, nerdy, quirky, loud, and all other kinds of students all at once. They deserve applause and a lot of appreciation for this.
School has been our second home, and we have made beautiful memories with you. From grade 12, the class of 2021, and all the students of Navke's Educational Center, thank you and wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day to all our teachers, old and new. They say a good teacher is hard to find, difficult to part with, and impossible to forget, and you are all unforgettable.
I hope that message was enlightening to you about the current situation of our world. Thank you, Grade 12. Let's all play our part by staying at home and staying safe. Now we have the infamous musicians of our school coming together as a band to put up a performance for us. I now introduce Sonika Prasad, Kaustubh Shrikant, Rushil Nair, Rishabh Jeppu, Satvik Rao, Shyam Shivatsa, Vaishali Jain, and Dev Fuletra.
On a dark desert highway, cool wind in my hair, warm smell of eucalyptus rising up through the air. Up ahead at the distance, I saw a shimmering light. My head grew heavy and my sight grew dim. I had to stop for the night. There she stood in the doorway. I heard the mission bell, and I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. Then she lit up a candle, and she showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor, I thought I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Plenty of room at the Hotel California. Any time of year, you can find me here. Her mind is stiff and it twisted. She got a Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty boys that she calls friends. How they dance in the courtyard, sweet summer sweat. Some dance to remember, some dance to forget. So I called up the captain, please bring me my wine. He said, we haven't had that spirit here since 1969. And still those voices are calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night just to hear them say,
Return of the Mac, get what it is, what it does, what it is, what it ends up. Looking for a better buddy, get it out of Benz, then again on internet, chicken out and get out. Fresh up, him start walking, little bit of humble, little bit of cautious, somewhere between like Rocky, Cosby's running game, up from fuel tank coffee, yeah, we're walking. This year is a party. My pops has been on Broadway, and we did it all, make grown music. I shed my skin and put my bones with everything, I record to it, and yeah, I'm on. Let's stage left, go and shine on down. Got the bar, barker, suit game, and Plinko in my style. Money, done my craft, I stick around for those fans, but I did that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me on my INDEPENDENT shit hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across the city with the backpack, black like question. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country.
Can we go back? This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So put our hands up like the ceiling can hold us. Like the ceiling can hold us.
Can we go back? This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can hold us. Like the ceiling can hold us.
That was mind-blowing. Please give them a round of applause. We have the acoustic guitar by Satvik, electric guitar by Sonika, drums by Rishabh, Kaustubh, Shyam, Sonika, Rushil and Vaishali as vocalists, and we have the rap by Dev. We are now moving on to the fun-filled finale dance by the 12th graders of Navkees.
हमरी से परनीत आ जाओ ना तो सही ऐसी मन की है सच्ची तुम हो सितारों की परे हुई गलती सॉरी हमने गाया तुम क्यों सुनी किसकी मर्जी जो थे अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा 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 मान के मेरी बात तू ऐसे जोर से नाची आज हे घुंघरू टूट गए हे घुंघरू टूट गए छोड़ के सारा शर्म और लाज मैं ऐसे जोर से नाची
That's right, baby. Auntie G, this one's for you. अभी भी है जवानी, तराजी है पुरानी, है फिर भी जवानी हनी जी। शर्म भुला के, ठुमका लगा के, करो ना थोड़ा मन मानी जी। अभी भी तेरे गाल गोरे गोरे, लाखों दिलों पे डाले डोरे डोरे। देखो दीवाने हुए जा रहे हैं, आधे उम्र के भी छोरे छोरे। अब बालों की सफेदी से फीका कब हुआ है रोमांस। आंटी जी, get up and dance. आंटी जी, get up and dance.
But not least, we have a special message to our lovely teachers on behalf of all the students of grade 12. Teachers, I really hope you enjoy this montage.
Happy Teachers Day.
I wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Wishing all the teachers a very happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
To all teachers, for everything you have done for us, I wish you all happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day to all my beloved teachers.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
Happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers. Thank you so much for supporting me.
Wishing all the teachers a very happy Teachers Day.
Up next, we have a guest appearance from Bindu ma'am representing the teachers fraternity.
Teachers' Day is that day of the year which I eagerly wait to arrive, and I'm sure my colleagues do too. The way you hype us up for being dressed up on this day is the very reason for it. Your warm wishes and token of love is the reason why we keep holding on to the memories of it. On behalf of the management, principal and my dear colleagues, I would like to thank all my students for having organized this Teachers' Day. The songs and the dances were splendid, and I must give it to you for having planned it so well. Once again, thank you very much for making us feel so special.
Thank you, Bindu ma'am, for those kind words of encouragement. After all we look forward to at the end of the day is a smile on your faces. Now we have Paraga R, who would like to share a few words with us.
Paraga of grade 12th, and it gives me immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this wonderful event. Once a great man whispered, feeling thankful and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. We have been fortunate to be guided by our principal, Miss Lalita Murthy, who has always been a constant support. I would like to thank our vice principal, senior coordinator and junior coordinator for giving us a lot of encouragement. I would like to thank our incredible teachers for helping us and teaching us in these unprecedented times. I would also like to extend my gratitude to the student participants who have put up a wonderful show in such a short period of time in these difficult times. I'll thank all parents and student audience for their presence this morning. Once again, I thank one and all present here for making this virtual Teachers' Day event a success. Thank you.
As we all know, we have gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day. Let me take this opportunity to thank all the teachers for working very hard to teach us online. Taking education to the next level, this year may have given us very tough times, but our teachers have surely been a ray of hope for us.
Finally, we would like to express our gratitude to the teachers of Nauki's Educational Center and Kindercare Academy for guiding us and motivating us. This year, our respect for teachers worldwide has grown immensely. We know it has been challenging for each one of us, but teachers have been our lockdown mentors. They have supported us throughout and helped us cope up with online classes and tests.
In these tough times, I would like to take the opportunity to thank all the teachers on behalf of each and every student for their unwavering support, inspiration, guidance, knowledge, and for making us who we are today. Students have a special place in their heart for their teachers, and you teachers are very special to us. We, Rohan and Malvika, your hosts for today, would like to sign off on a cheerful note. Have a wonderful day and a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.